Welcome to section 6 of motivation for peak performance. There are leaders that approach motivation from a different angle. They believe that you are either a self-motivated person or you're not. You are either a pessimist or an optimist. They approach it from the angle of inspiration. Yes, inspiration. They believe that a better approach to lifting the morale or lifting the energy within a company is by inspiring your team. You can use carrots and sticks, but it may not be effective in the long run. Sometimes it's the environment. The environment forces demotivation in the workplace. The environment is not very inspirational. It's more of perspirational. Now, think about this. No, think about the different companies that you have worked with in the past. Think of the companies that did not, was not a very positive culture or did not have a very positive culture. Were you inspired by your leadership or your management to come to work? I don't know, right? So, Mike, the question I'm leaving with you is taking a look at your current teams, taking a look at your current assigned function, assigned departments. What culture are you building for your teams? Is it an inspirational culture? Is it otherwise? And why is that? Why is that?